So you're thinking about moving to Carolina Forest here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and you're looking for a home that has relatively low maintenance requirements. You're looking for a home that's brand new and your budget is $350,000. Well, today we're going to be taking a look at something that checks all of those boxes. I'm currently standing in a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that has never been lived in before. It's brand new and it's listed at $335,000. Hey, welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Nick, and on this channel I talk about things to do here in Myrtle Beach. I give tips and advice about the area, and of course I talk about the real estate. So if you're thinking about relocating to the area, then be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and tap the little notification bell while you're at it. This way you could be the first to know about what's going on here in Myrtle Beach. I get calls every single day from people just like you who are relocating to the area. So if you ever have any questions, or if I can help you find a home here at the beach, then I would love to chat with you. You can use the first link down in the description to schedule a call with me. Now, I was going to start today's tour outside, but it's absolutely freezing today. I was bragging all January and February about how warm it was the entire time, and now I'm being punished for it in March. But that actually gives me an opportunity to show you that this home has 1, 2, and then in the back there are 3 entrances or exits to this home, which might make you think that this is a single family home. So you might be surprised to know that this is actually a townhome. I know a lot of people that prefer single family home living because they get claustrophobic in a townhome or a condo, especially when they only have like 1, maybe 2 exits. But this model does a really good job of making you feel like you are in a single family home. It feels much more like single family home living. But you get all the benefits of living in a townhome, like they do the maintenance for you on the outside. And the best part is this is a single level townhome. So if you like the sound of that, then hit the thumbs up button down below and let's get outside and start this tour. All right, so here we are outside of this home. They are still building some new ones down there, but like I mentioned, this one here is virtually brand new. It's never been lived in. Over here on the end, you have the end unit. We're checking out unit B right here with the 1-car garage, but it is extended, so there is some room for storage in there. And I do want to point out that's a 1-car garage. You do have space on the driveway for 2 cars, which is pretty unique for townhomes that have a 1-car garage. And then also with these middle units here, you get these nice private courtyards in the middle. So they are fenced in. As you see, we came in through the fence, and then you have a nice covered front porch here as well. Not huge, but you can definitely fit a small table, a couple of chairs. So there's plenty of options to get out and enjoy the outdoors in this townhome, because you do have that back porch in the back as well. And then when you come in, you can see it opens up. It's nice open. You have the all-white kitchen here with the premium quartz countertops. Again, this is new, never been lived in, so you do not have a refrigerator or a washer and dryer that's coming with this home. But as I mentioned earlier, this does a really good job of feeling like it's a big single family home. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, and it's just under 1,500 heated square feet. But again, they do a really good job of making it feel much bigger than that. In the front here, you have your first bedroom. It overlooks the front door here. And then you have a nice deep closet in here as well. And this is right next to the garage, which we're going to check out towards the end. You have a nice drop zone here for when you're coming in off the garage to drop your bags and things like that. And then you have a little breakfast nook area here, so you can fit a small round table. You can fit a desk. I've seen people do that in these homes as well. So you have some options because there's a dining area over there as well. And you have a pretty big pantry for the size home as well. This is a natural gas community. So you do have gas stove, gas range, microwave there. There is a dishwasher as well. And I want to mention that the HOA dues for this townhome are $266 a month, which is very good for a townhome. That's very low. Usually they're much higher than that, especially for what you're getting. So for $266 a month, They are going to take care of the outside of the home for you. They're going to take care of all the landscaping and lawn maintenance. You're also going to get basic cable. You're going to get water and sewer. You're going to get trash pickup. They are also going to do the pest control for you. And you're going to get use of all of the common areas, the amenities. There's a pool, there's a clubhouse, there's a small fitness center. We were doing an open house in here this past weekend, so you got the open house table there. And you can see the nice big vaulted ceilings. That again makes this home feel much bigger than it actually is. You can see here you have your screened in patio in the back as well, and a nice view of the pond. We'll take a closer look at that here in a second. Do want to get back here and show you the primary bedroom real quick. You can see you have the nice tray ceilings there. It's a very good sized room. You have the little bump out for the bay window. That also overlooks the pond in the back. So you have a nice, beautiful view to wake up to here. And then you have your primary bathroom, the double sink vanity, toilets right around the corner here. You have another big linen closet and an all tile white shower. Tons of storage in this home. Again, you have that bump out in the garage as well. So super unique for a townhome to have this much storage. And again, it's all one level, so you don't have to worry about any stairs or anything like that like you do with a lot of other townhomes. Got a big screened-in porch. And then check out this pond here. Like I mentioned earlier, they are building all the way around this pond, so there are going to be units along the other side there. But you have some nice privacy here in between your unit. You can build extra pads out here, so you can have some furniture out here with a table, with chairs, with a barbecue if you want. And speaking of barbecue, you do have a gas line out here in the back for that, or for a fire pit. So no need for propane tanks. And your living area and dining area combined, they're very big. It's not coming across super big on the video, but there is a good amount of space in this home. Again, for the size it is under 1,500 heated square feet. And then you have this garage space in the front of the home as well, which again, it's a one-car garage, but it has that bump out for storage or a workshop, whatever you'd like to use it for. Nice high ceilings, so you could have shelves up top, you have a workshop down at the bottom, or just all extra storage, which is great for a one-car garage because usually they do not have that bump out. I'll give you one last peek of this home here. I just love the floors in this home. I love the white cabinets, the white counter. I love these pennants above the island here. So what do you think? If you've not thought about living in a townhome before, if you didn't think it was right for you, does this tour here open up your mind to that possibility potentially? And if you have wanted to live in a townhome, what do you think of this one? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you have any questions, you can also ask me down in the comments below. And if you want to have a more personal conversation, or if you're ready to find your home here at the beach, then I would love to chat with you. You can use the first link down in the description to schedule a call with me. I'll also pop it up here on the screen. It's contactmovingtomb.com. I want to thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to speaking with you, and I will see you in the next one.